how to know which are black and white and which are black and gray tattoos. Welcome guys, my name is Edgar Oak and this is the Ultimate Tattoo Customer Guide. It's about everything you need to know before, during and after your tattoo session. Today we will dive deep into tattoo type number 3. And tattoo type number 3 is black and white tattoos. Black and white tattoos are made by using mix of black and white pigment ink in different shades of gray, called opaque gray or silver tones. Each tone is 100% concentration of pigment and can be used in all techniques similar to color tattoo type. While many tattooing companies provide premixed sets for black and white tattoos, many artists still prefer to mix tones by themselves, mixing black and white pigments using drop system or percentage system. About these systems I explained it in previous video, where I was talking about black and gray tattoos. You can check it out right here. Black and white tattoo type can be used almost in all kind of styles similar to color tattoo type, like neo-traditional, all style of realism, biomechanical, anime, abstract, and many more. This tattoo type can be chosen for various types of designs, starting with portraits or landscapes and finishing with bold outlines and solid ink packing in illustrative neo-traditional designs. And here are some picture samples of this type of tattoos. What's so special about this type of tattoos? Black and white tattoos, because of the solid pigment concentration, are mostly used for cover-up tattoos, and it's a great option for anyone who wants to hide some old ink mistakes. But it's not that easy as it sounds like. There are many aspects to know before doing that. But now, we are not going to talk about that. I will explain everything about cover-up tattoos in a separate episode. Anyway, another great thing about black and white tattoos is they age well, depending of course on application techniques. For example, if the tattoo is done with 100% pigment packing, shade next to shade, that means pigment has no space to walk around and will stay exactly in the same place where packed. It might blur a little bit, but nothing like pure line work that grows by years, or any other styles that are made with the solid ink next to the clear skin. What I mean with that is if you pack solid any ink pigment and there is no other solid pigment next to it, that means your pigment will spread with the years because nothing will hold it in place. But if there is another pigment next to it, that means spreading space is already taken and there is no more space to move. The same is with the solid pack color tattoos. They age well as well, of course if it's done right. About tattoo aging, I will explain in another episode. Many times I have been asked about how to know which are black and white and which are black and gray tattoos. So, the main characteristics for black and white tattoos are, at the first, they look silvery, and second, each lighter tone is still solid color. But in black and gray tattoos, each lighter tone is more and more transparent. That means you will see skin more and more on each lighter tone. But in black and white tattoos, depending on application techniques, you shouldn't see any skin. And that is main reason why it's been mostly chosen to cover all tattoos. Another great thing about this type I've seen is it's been used with other type of tattoos, like mixing with black and gray or color tattoos, creating unique look designs. I really love how it looks when you do some black and gray designs and fill background with one of the black and white tones. That looks sick. Check this out and judge yourself. So, what have we learned so far about black and white tattoos? Now we know that it's a mix of black and white solid pigments, and it is mostly used to cover all tattoos. Also, we know how to recognize them against black and gray tattoos, and that they look great in the mix with the other tattoo types. This was the main information you should know about black and white tattoos to help you in your tattoo art journey. That's it for now. What an episode! Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends and family so more people can find out about everything they need to know before, during, and after their tattoo session. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.